Inventory counts are unavoidable, but how long they take and how much you trust the results, that's where the difference shows up. Warehouse Insight replaces paper count sheets and manual data entry with barcode scanning on mobile devices and real-time updates directly in Business Central. You get 3 counting approaches in one application: assigned count sheets, blank scan everything sheets, and ad hoc counts that require zero setup. Workers scan the bin, scan the item, and enter the quantity. That's it. Where Warehouse Insight goes further is reconciliation. Discrepancies are reported at the lot and serial number level. When you post a count, adjustments are applied to the correct lot automatically. And if any item falls outside your tolerance threshold, recount sheets are generated in Business Central and appear on devices immediately. No printing, no highlighting, no separate list management. Warehouse associates, supervisors, and inventory managers all benefit, and every count iteration is captured in a full audit trail. To get started, reach out to your Microsoft partner.